nothing changes.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. We are doing a nice nature walk today. We are going to get ice cream. You're not going to be able to hear this. Stupid wind. Hi guys, I'm home now. I wasn't really able to like talk when we were outside because it's really windy out today and you wouldn't have heard anything. So yeah, we went on a walk outside. It was like 4 miles, so then we ended up walking. And then we came home and then we walked to this little like, what would you call it, Alex? Like a little cafe type thing. Yeah. Down the street from where we live and got ice cream and it was really good. Now I have to do thank you cards for my grad party. I have to finish that. That's all that I have planned for today. Hey guys, I wanted to do a really quick haul and show you the things that I got from the store yesterday when I went shopping. So yeah, I got this little cute sign. And then I got this one for above the sink in our kitchen. You cook, I will drink the wine. So cute. Ooh, and then I want to show you the shirts that I got. Okay, better lighting now, kind of. Not the greatest angle. So first I got this black tube top from American Eagle. Then I got this like coralish colored tank top, also from American Eagle. And then lastly I got this tank top from Forever 21. Yeah, that's it. Pretty soon I have to start making dinner, so I gotta figure out what I want to make. Do you want chicken? Let's thaw some chicken. We got it cooking. Yum. And product. Look at how burnt Alex got today.
Yeah.
Haha, wear sunscreen, folks. See, I wore sunscreen because I'm smart and I just got tan lines from today. I didn't get burnt. Wear sunscreen. We're done with dinner. Now we're drinking some wine. And watching NCIS. Yeah, I think I'm going to close the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys next week.
Wear sunscreen.
Wear sunscreen. We're going to Mexico soon if you didn't know, so that vlog will be coming soon.